Okay, what we got here is a 2011 Renault Sandero 1.6 K7M engine. We've got a noisy fan belt or bearing on idle startup. So what I've done is I've gone in and I've found out that the tensioner bearing unit is gone, and then there's a support bearing as well that they call it, that I'm going to replace while I'm in there doing the job. So let's just take a look inside, try and get in there to show you exactly where it sits. Okay, so as you see, there's the tensioner, and that one over there is the support roller bearing. That's the tensioner unit here. So I'm replacing both of these. Okay, so the tensioner roller bearing unit, when removing it, it had a shaky, wobbly, loose sound in the unit. So it sounded like the bearings are gone, and it's wobbling all over the place. So managed to pick up the spares, and now to do the replacement, to just refit them and then put on the fan belt again. Okay, on the right hand side is the tensioner bearing unit, roller bearing unit, and then on the left hand side is the support bearing unit, support roller bearing unit. We're going to be replacing these two now. Okay, I'm going to be working from the bottom. Not too sure if we'll be able to see much from the top, but let's just refit the pots. Make sure it's on nice and securely. A bit tight in here. Try and get this aligned, and so little space to work in here. Thread it on. There we go. Taking. Tighten that up. Okay, that's on. Now for the tensioner roller. Okay, tensioner roller. Okay, the tensioner roller and the support roller are back on. So you can see the support roller over there and the tensioner roller over here are fitted. Now I'm going to just take the tensioner and I'm going to pull it up towards the top and put it onto there, and then I'm going to pull it up to take off the pressure on the tensioner. Then I'm going to take a 6mm Allen key, and there's a groove in the tensioner. Once it's on full position out, I'll push the Allen key in and it'll hold it in place, and then I will put the auxiliary V-belt back on in the correct order.